So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money into Solana here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom bar here and select the cash out icon. On this page, you can check your balance, and if all looks good to you, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you come across the cryptocurrency option right here. Now, there's a few different cryptocurrencies that you can actually, I guess, withdraw money directly to and exchange it into. So in this case, if you're looking for Solana, scroll until you come across this like rainbow colored S with the black background, and then press on withdraw. Once you're here, you can do this through stake, so type in your stake username, the amount, and if all looks good, go to the bottom and press withdraw to proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can withdraw money in Solana here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.